Hi, I'm Don with PeakGear. Whether you're headed off the grid or gearing up for your next big adventure, we're here to make sure that you've got the best equipment and support every step of the way. With over 1,500 satisfied customers and a 4.9 star rating, we're proud to be trusted by Overlanders all over the country. We've got a best price guarantee. What does that mean? Simple. If you find a better price anywhere else, we'll match it. Plus, we offer free shipping and a 30-day return policy on every order. All of our products are tested and reviewed by experienced Overlanders. We only carry the gear that we'd use ourselves. And when you reach out, you talk to real people. None of those AI chatbots. We're here with you before, during, and after your purchase. So give us a ring at 888-927-0766 or hit the live chat on the site. We're here with you every step of the way. We'll see you on the trail.